Hello, my name is Kasper and I am an engineer at MTS Technik. In this video, I will present the Coilover suspension kit for the second generation Hyundai i20. The front axle kit consists of two threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating, both featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of this tiny clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of height adjustment. Front springs are manufactured by the German company eibach. These are ERS-type springs with linear characteristics, and thanks to their internal diameter of just 60 mm, they allow for very easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Moreover, the front axle kit also includes black anodized aluminum spring caps and helper springs that provide preload for the mainsprings. On the rear, we've got two sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lower suspension. They have increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers. Rear springs are also manufactured by eibach. These are progressive springs ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristics. Besides what mentioned, the kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers for both front and rear axle, as well as black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear springs. Besides the kit itself, in the package you will also get an adjustment wrench, two MTS Technik stickers and any necessary documentation such as installation manual. Thanks for watching.